Hey, Abigail.
Hey, Mom.
Where are we going today?
To dentist.
Here, look at Mom.
Okay.
And say hi to all your friends.
Hi.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, Abby. So we're going to the dentist, and what else are we going to do today?
Oh, and brush.
Yes.
That teeth.
Yeah, she is going to clean your teeth.
Okay.
Yeah, and then what are we going to do after the dentist?
And then, okay, lunch.
Okay, that sounds like a plan.
Okay.
And then whatever else fun we can have until Obed comes home at 3.
Oh, yay.
Sound like a plan?
Yes.
It's kind of a mini date, isn't it?
Okay.
All right, so go get in and buckle up and we'll be on our way.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, Abs.
Okay. What? I'm not going to school.
No, not today. We're going to play hooky. Well, it's not really hooky because you have a dentist appointment. But we're going to take full advantage of it, aren't we?
Yep.
Yep. And go out into the community a little.
Okay.
And have some fun.
Yay.
With our mom.
Okay.
All right, sweet girl. Was that crazy, Abby?
Yeah.
It took us 30 minutes to park.
Okay.
Like 30 minutes. I'm not kidding you. 30 minutes.
Okay.
I got here at 10:30 for an 11 o'clock appointment, right?
Yes.
And twice, I've never seen anything like it. Twice, people actually darted around me while I had my signal on and I was waiting for a spot. The third time when we got the spot, Mommy actually blocked the road.
Okay.
It was stressful, huh? But we're
Yeah.
here now, so let's go to the dentist.
Okay.
All right, sweetie. Stressful for me, not for Abby.
Okay.
She doesn't care. All the way to the right,
Okay.
where the grass is. Just keep your shoreline.
Okay.
Okay? You got this, Abby. Just keep your shoreline. Don't worry about the cold. Abby, you're going off into the grass, honey. That's why you want to keep your shoreline.
Okay.
See where the pavement is?
Yeah.
Keep your cane on the ground. Thank you. There you go. You do your proper cane technique, please.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Go through the doors.
Okay.
Straight through. You got this. Straight through. Straight through, and then to the left to the dentist, okay?
Mommy.
What's the problem there, Abs? Do you have hiccups? Do you have the hiccups?
Yes.
Did you get the hiccups when your teeth were being cleaned?
Yeah. Excuse me.
Abby, stop.
Okay. Wait. When get home. Wait.
Yep, later.
Maybe.
After lunch.
After.
You did super great, Abby. So we had a clean bill of health. Hold on, let me look.
Okay.
Here, why don't you do human guide here for a minute. We'll talk when we get to the car because Mommy wants to keep us safe today. So Abby, you did great in there. I'm proud of you. How do your teeth feel?
Good.
Do they feel better?
Yeah.
Do they feel so clean?
Yes.
4 sealants, no cavities, perfect alignment. It's so funny because our dentist, every time somebody has a perfect bill of health, she's always amazed. I don't think she can figure out how you guys have such perfect teeth. You, Abby, are so lucky. No cavities, good overbite, perfect alignment. It's all in the genetics, I suppose, and healthy eating. Mostly healthy, right?
Yeah.
So, Abby,
Yes.
we're here at the Burger King.
Okay.
Okay? Are you excited?
Yes.
All right. Because I know you've been wanting a cheeseburger for a while now.
Okay.
Okay? And you did so great at your dentist appointment that
Okay.
we're going to get a cheeseburger.
Okay.
She said you could eat and no problem. So, however, like if we can get in here and get this done, maybe maybe we can actually go get you a new pair of shoes later.
Okay.
Okay, if we have time, so we gotta kind of hustle, okay?
Okay.
You think you can do that?
Yep.
All right, let's go to Burger King.
Okay.
Go quickly across the street.
Okay.
You're doing a great job.
Okay.
Up the ramp
Okay.
and to the right. To the right,
Okay.
Abby.
Yeah.
To the right.
Okay.
To the right. Turn right, honey. There you go. There you go. All right, straight ahead. When you hit the wall, okay, now go around the corner and to the left. The door's on the left. I want you to come open the door yourself, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead. Find the door and open it.
Okay.
Focus, Abby, focus.
Okay.
All right. Good job. What you got there, Abs?
Ooh.
Is that a Burger King crown?
Yeah.
You should put it on your head. Oh, you want some, not the cheeseburger, you knucklehead.
Okay.
Okay. Here, look up, Abby. Put it on your head.
Okay.
Oh, it's cracking up. Okay. Are you having trouble? Hey, Abby, can I help you out a little bit? It's
Yeah.
upside down, honey. Turn it upside. Okay. Hey, Abby.
Yes. Oh.
There you go. Perfect. You're a princess. Princess Abby. Okay, you gonna eat your Whopper now? You're a good sport, Abs.
Okay.
You're so funny. All right, take your Sprite out of there. Don't spill your Sprite.
Okay.
All right, we'll move the crown over here. All right, enjoy your lunch, babe.
Okay. And star.
I'll get it for you. Is that Whopper a little more than you can handle there, kid? Are you having a little trouble there with that Whopper? Oh. You're so efficient, Abby. You are the most efficient burger eater I know. This girl, Abby, I'm gonna tell a story about you, okay? This girl never used to know what in the world to do with a sandwich. Do you remember that, Abby? You would refuse to eat a sandwich. Do you remember?
Yeah.
And now look at you. You're a pro. You're an old pro at sandwich eating. Is it yummy or yucky?
Yummy.
Oh man, you're not kidding. Well, Abs,
Yes.
we didn't get your shoes,
Okay.
did we?
Yep.
But what did we do? Do you know what we did there?
Yeah.
What did we do?
Oh, or.
Say it again.
Oh, order.
We ordered them in the right size for you, didn't we?
Order.
And your feet have grown so much. Abby,
Yes.
what size shoe do you wear?
Oh, 8.
An 8 already. And I feel terrible because your last shoes were like a size 6. What are you doing to your teeth? Do they feel still really cool because they're clean?
Yeah.
Okay. So Abby,
Yes.
do you think we have enough time for Starbucks?
Yes.
Oh, we always have time for
Maybe
Starbucks,
have-
don't we?
A Starbucks.
Yes, ma'am. Let's go try it, okay?
Oh, what? Okay.
Let's go do it.
Go to Starbucks.
What are you gonna have there?
Oh, milk.
at Starbucks?
Of that.
Isn't it kind of cold out?
Maybe we have a Starbucks.
Something warm?
Or cold.
Or cold? I thought you said it was freezing out.
I said cold.
You said cold?
Yes.
Okay, well if you want cold, then you can have cold.
Okay.
All right, let's go to Starbucks.
Okay.
All right. Do you hear the blender going?
Yes.
That's your drink.
Okay.
Peppermint Frappuccino in the making. Oh, you're getting whipped cream. Are you so excited? It's like a milkshake, isn't it?
Okay.
All right.
Maybe we have vanilla.
Yes.
Vanilla, right?
Right.
Ooh.
Is it good?
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
Whipped cream.
Well, you know, your mom is going to need a sip of that. Tastes like whipped cream? You're going to be flying low, girl.
Ooh, mint.
Mint? Is it delicious?
Yes.
Is that what you wanted?
Oh, frappuccino.
A frappuccino.
Ooh.
Yay, Abby! Can mommy have a sip?
Yes.
Usually I don't ask. I usually just go right in for it. Okay, here. Let me try a sip. Let me try a sip.
Ooh.
Is it good?
Yes.
Oh, that's really good.
Okay.
What is that? A peppermint mocha frappuccino.
Okay.
Delicious. All right, let's go get your brother.
Oh, bad.
Okay. Hey, Abby.
Yes.
Do you remember the outing we went on the other day to the dentist? And do you remember that we ordered something for you?
Oh, yes.
What did we order for you?
Ooh.
Do you remember?
Yeah. Shoe.
Shoes. We ordered Abby a pair of shoes. Well, guess what?
Yes.
Look what came today.
Yes.
Look. Do you want to open the package?
Yes.
Open the package.
Okay.
Hulk it open, Abs. Can you do it? Here, I think you want to get it from like up here.
Oh,
here.
Okay.
Or the side, here.
Okay. Arnie.
Yes, Mr. Arnie is very content. He's got his Kong ball stuffed with a hot dog. All right, now you should be able to get them out just fine.
Okay.
Let's try this and see what we... Is there a box in there?
Yep.
Okay, pull your box out.
Okay.
Not very good prep work on your mother's end there. Well, there's your box. Okay, take the paper off. You can just... Here, I'll take it, honey. All right, let's see what you got there. Open them up.
Okay. Ooh. Look.
Let me see. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, put them on your lap and take the paper off.
Okay.
You can put the box on the floor. There you go.
Okay.
Okay. Hopefully they fit you. Oh, they look like the same ones we ordered.
Yep.
I love it how that works.
Okay.
All right, you want to try them on? Take it and put it on the right foot.
Okay.
The correct foot.
Oh.
Let me be very clear. Okay. Use two hands. Put it on like you always do.
Ooh.
There you go. Is it all the way on?
Yep.
Okay, awesome. Put the other one on. Let's look inside, feel inside and make sure that there's nothing in there, okay? Is there anything in there?
Nope.
Okay, good.
Okay.
All right, you put that one on.
Ooh.
Let me see, how do they feel? Let me see if those are better than the... Oh, I think those are better than the... Put your foot down, Abs. Let me see something.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, Abby, you are... Oh my gosh, you're growing like crazy. Did you grow since we bought the shoes? Do they feel, I think they're actually perfect. How do they feel on your feet?
Yes. Perfect.
Perfect. Are you sure? All right, I'm gonna put the camera down and then tie the shoes, and then you can walk in them for me.
Okay.
All right, hold on.